George Weyerhaeuser joined Weyerhaeuser Company in 1947, initially working in the woods as a logger. In 1949, he began working in the company's pulp mills, and in 1951, he transferred to the Springfield, Oregon lumber manufacturing operations and progressed to manager in 1954. In this 1969 photo, he's walking in the timber stand interior. In 1971, he's shown at the podium while giving a speech at a Fiber Box Association meeting. The following year, he accepts an AIA award from the American Institute of Architects. George, David Hall, and Dale Bumpers, governor of Arkansas, inspect bundled seedlings at the dedication of the Magnolia, Arkansas Regeneration Center in 1973. In 1977, George cuts the ribbon at the nursery dedication in North Carolina. He was an advocate for addressing the environmental aspects of forest management well before it became popular. In 1978, he watches logs on a conveyor in Longview, Washington. The tree farms and high-yield forestry practices at Weyerhaeuser Company have set the standard for private forest management throughout the forest industry. George and his wife Wendy traveled to Japan for a reception in 1979, and in 1980, George traveled to Tokyo again, where he attended a press room tour and inspected the capabilities of a Japanese printing press, followed by a business luncheon at the Palace Hotel. In 1988, George greets President George Bush in front of the Technology Center in Federal Way, Washington. Throughout his career, George was a visionary in improving his company's utilization of raw materials, including use of wood residuals to manufacture composite panel products, biomass fuels for energy, and recycled fiber for pulp and paper manufacturing. In addition to his many years of service to Weyerhaeuser Company, George served as a director of Boeing Company, Chevron Corporation, and Safeco Corporation. He was a member of the Business Council and the Washington State Business Roundtable.